waiting. Nice to see you, everybody. Listen to me carefully. I'm your teacher, Miss Dana. Welcome to my English class. I say hello, you say hi. Hello, hi. Hello, hi. I say nice to you, say me too. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm from Kazakhstan, beautiful country. I say Kazakhstan, you say beautiful. Kazakhstan, beautiful. Kazakhstan, beautiful. I like English, it is fun. I like pandas, they are cute. I say English, you say fun. English, fun. English, fun. I say panda, you say cute. Panda, cute. Panda, cute. Are you ready for the class? I say ready, you say go. Ready, go. Ready. Great. Start today's open lesson. I'm your teacher, Ильяс Dana. Today's grade is 7A. Firstly, we divide it into two groups, okay? Okay. Now, come to the blackboard and choose one of these balance of ears, okay?
Okay.
Come here, by one by. Choose one of these. Okay. Second group. Second group. Second group. Okay. One. Second group. First group. First group. First. Some first group. And this class next. Firstly, I give you your self-assessment paper. In each task, you put here in your assessment. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. We start our lesson. Check out your home task. Who wants to start?
Teacher.
Okay, good.
Mark and his family went to Thailand.
Family went to
Thailand.
Thailand. Yes, it is great. Second.
On the morning of 26 December, after breakfast, they went to the beach.
Okay, good. Right. Next. Your side.
With Mark was swimming, hearing people screaming.
Okay, right. Next. Seven.
Which had swallowed him.
Swallowed him. Right. Next. Five.
Simon managed to pull up Mark.
Right. Good. Next.
Hours later, a helicopter came to rescue them.
Right. Next. Amina.
In the fields, Mark felt lonely and lost.
It is good. Next.
Mike and his family left to down ladder from island.
From left to okay, right. Next. Kan saya?
They felt Lucas
Like in Okay, right. Next. Hansu.
The field sorry for the
Forecast. It is right. Nice. All answer is right. And then your assessment put your points. Okay?
Okay.
Next. To opening our today's topic, we choose one of these paper and opening this paper picture, we open the new topic. Okay?
Okay.
What can you see in this picture?
Volcano.
Volcano. Okay. Right. Next. What will you do if the ground suddenly started shaking? Who wants to? Okay.
If the ground suddenly starts shaking, I will quickly find a safe place and protect myself.
Okay, good job. Next. What can you say in this picture? It is fire. Right. What can destroy houses or cities very quickly? Asana.
Earthquakes, floods, fires, and volcanic eruptions can destroy houses or cities very quickly.
Very quickly. Right. Right answer. Next. And in this picture, food. What is food? Food. Right. Why do you think people in some countries build special houses to protect themselves from danger? Okay.
I think people build special safe homes for protect from dangerous natural disasters.
Okay. Right answer. What can you see in this picture? Today's topic is natural disaster. Right. Okay, show this video.
Hello dear students, I'm glad to see you today. Today we are starting a new topic called natural disasters. We will learn about different types of natural disasters, their causes and their characteristics. We will also talk about safety rules and how to protect ourselves. I hope this lesson will be interesting and useful for you. Good luck, and let's get started.
Okay, we start. Everything good luck.
Thank you.
This lesson objectives is use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about the broad range of general topics and some curricular topics. Write with moderate grammatical accuracy on a limited range of popular general and curricular topics. It is our lesson objectives. Okay, firstly, watch the video about natural disasters and the causes about the disasters.
Accidents and disasters. Factory fires, oil spills, earthquakes and floods. A lot of terrible accidents and disasters have affected people over the years. Let's take a look at some of the most common. Fires. Fires have started in almost every environment in the world. They have happened in forests, in people's homes, and in factories. House fires have started when people forget candles they have lit, or they leave electric appliances on when they go out of the house. Forest fires make animal species suffer because they destroy their natural environment. Floods. Floods happen when water covers land that is normally dry. In 2013, there was a flood in Scarborough. an English seaside town. It caused serious damage to many homes and shops. But water has other destructive powers too. Landslides. Heavy rainfall can cause landslides. A series of terrible landslides have recently occurred in India. Many buildings collapsed. Rocks and mud completely buried people's homes. Oil spills. What about accidents that happen at sea? In 1991, an oil tanker exploded just over 1,000 kilometers off the southwest coast of Africa. More than 250,000 tons of oil spilled into the sea. Oil spills severely affect humans, sea animals, birds, and plants. Tornadoes. Tornadoes are really violent storms. They cause damage to houses and businesses and put human lives in danger. In 2011, a massive tornado hit Missouri in the USA. It caused thousands of injuries and almost $3 billion of damage. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions can destroy entire towns and civilizations. Almost 2,000 years ago, the eruption of Mount Vesuvius formed a cloud of gas, rock, and ash around 33,000 meters high. It destroyed the city of Pompeii and several other Roman towns. Earthquakes. In 2011, Japan faced one of the worst killer earthquakes. It was the most powerful ever recorded in Japan. It measured 9.0 on the Richter scale and caused huge tsunamis. Tsunamis. Earthquakes at sea can cause tsunamis. Some tsunamis are over 30 meters high. In 2004, an earthquake caused a massive tsunami in the Indian Ocean. It was so terrible that it affected 14 different countries. It hit Indonesia hardest and destroyed many towns near the coast. Droughts. The power of water can be deadly, but we can't live without it. When the weather gets very dry, we get droughts. In poorer countries, millions of people have starved because of droughts. Without rain, the land becomes too dry to grow crops. Crashes. Trains, planes, and cars take us to amazing places, but they can cause serious accidents. In 2007, a Boeing 737 crashed near Cameroon. However, planes are one of the safest means of transport. Driving is a different matter. Car crashes are the most common of transport accidents. Drivers need to drive carefully and sensibly at all times. We live on an amazing planet. We breathe in its oxygen, take walks in its woods, climb its mountains. Accidents and disasters remind us how valuable life is. We are all responsible for looking after ourselves, our neighborhoods, and our planet.
What disasters did you see in this video? What disasters?
Earthquake,
Stand up.
earthquake, tsunami, floods, oil, and then
Okay, right. Okay. And how do you see what disasters is so dangerous for you? What disasters is so dangerous?
tsunami.
It is tornado. Okay. we continue our lesson with new vocabulary. New vocabulary. Start learn new vocabulary, okay? In this, let's learn new words. Repeat after me, okay? Avalanche.
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 Kar kışkını. Kar kışkını. Okay, next. Tornado.
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 Quyun dağıldı ya. Next.
Earthquake.
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 Yeah, Megan.
Zip.
Yer silkinisi. Next. Lightning.
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 Найзалай. Volcano eruption.
Volcano eruption.
Volcano eruption.
Volcano eruption.
Vulkan atlalı ya. Float.
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 Su taskını. Right. Next. Hurricane.
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 Деген боран, құйын, жел. Яғни бұл дегеніміз судың жағасында болатын жағдай, иә? Drought.
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 Құрғақшылық, шөлікті жерлер, иә? Tsunami.
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 Иә, бұл tsunami, иә? Судың өз арнасынан тасып кетуі. Okay, let's continue our lesson, new vocabulary checking. We learn today's new vocabulary and we check up each other. Okay, it is pair work. In this task, correctly assemble the puzzle, match pictures with the correct words. Formative assessment 3 points. In this task, you have 3 minutes. It is pair work. We have only 3 minutes. Okay. Okay. Good. Others. Okay, we all finished it. It is right? We finished it. Okay, we start checking your tasks. The first, Hansbu Asanan, start. And the first is avalanche.
A bright flash of light on
Light
the
flash.
sky during a storm.
Okay, right. Next.
Hurricane. A large amount of snow that suddenly passed down a mountain.
Next.
Lightning. A very strong storm with a heavy rain and strong winds over the ocean.
Okay, right. But we it is the picture is not right. It is avalanche, it is hurricane. You have 2 points. Next.
First picture is tsunami. A very large ocean wave causes an earthquake or volcanic eruption.
Right.
Second picture is drought. A long period of time with little or no rain.
Okay, good. You're saying.
hurricane,
Okay, right. Good job. All together, right. Next.
One page tsunami, a very large ocean. Another, a very strong and dangerous wind that moves in a circle shape and destroys things.
Right.
Drought, a long period of time which little or no rain.
Okay, right. You.
A very strong and dangerous wind that moves in a circle shape and destroys things. Includes when water covers land that is usually dry because of heavy rain.
Okay.
Volcano eruption. When a volcano explodes and the hot lava, ash and gas come out.
Come out. Right. So amazing. Next.
Lightning. A rich flash of lightning in the sky during a storm.
Avalanche, a large amount of snow that suddenly falls down a mountain. Earthquake, a sudden shake of the ground caused by movements inside the edge. Birds.
Okay. It is right. Excellent. And right here you are points. Okay?
Okay.
Our next task. True, false phrase. It is individual work. In this task, short and choose one of these. True or false. Correct. Right. Next. Okay. Right. Next. Right. Next. This group. Nah, it is false. Next. This group. Okay, right. Next. During the flood, people should go to high places. True. Next group.
A volcano chews out hot lava.
Right. Next group. Okay.
It is safe to
Touch hot lava. Correct. Next group. Risma. Tsunami is a very big sea. True. Correct. Next. say. It is false. Next. Hurricane is a very strong storm. Correct. Have your points and write your assessment paper in your tasks. Okay? Дұрыс болса, набалдай жазамыз. Next. Write in your assessment paper. Next task is reading. It is group work. In this task, you read two texts for overall understanding and use contextual clues to complete the task accurately. Work it actively in the team. Formative assessment 2 points. In this task, you have the text and we work at using this text, okay? First click and mind writing and right here using this text. Answer these questions. In this class we have 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Answer the question using these text topics: lightning and earthquake. Read the text carefully and answer the question. Safety rules. It is you ready? We have only 1 minute.
We have finished.
Quickly up. We have finished. Okay. We start. Let's present your mind map. Okay. Who wants to start? Which group? First, second group. Stand up and you come to the blackboard. Come to the blackboard. Which lightning. 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 So come to the blackboard. Yes. It's not difficult. Schön. Come to the blackboard. Your topic is lightning. Yes. The first.
Lightning is a natural phenomenon that happens during a storm.
During a storm. It is definition. Next.
It can also damage electrical systems and surge power cities.
It is what causes these disasters? The first great question. What causes? Next.
Safety rules.
Safety rules.
If you are outside, you should find a safe place as quickly as possible.
Okay, good. All answer is right. Excellent. Next group. Come to the blackboard. Present your mind blackboard. Your topic is birds. Earthquake. The first.
First, it happens because of movements inside the Earth. The Earth's surface is made of large plates, and when these plates move or crash into each other, can earthquake occurs.
Next.
They can destroy.
What causes? What causes?
They can destroy buildings.
Please destroy the buildings. Next.
Safety rules. People should stay calm.
People should stay calm, right? What causes? It happens because the inside the earth, right? Yes. All answer is right. You have answered very right. Good job, guys. In this task, write in your self-assessment paper. You have points, okay? Okay, next. And we finished today's open lesson. And it is By, come to the whiteboard and choose one of these reflection. Yes, I understand everything. I have some questions. I need a lot of help. Okay? By, come to the whiteboard and choose one of these reflection. I understand everything. Right. Next. To be faster. I understand everything. Read and put. Read. I understand everything. Okay. Next.
I understand everything.
Good. Next. Asanada.
I understand everything.
I understand everything. Good job. Next. Janelle. I understand everything. Good. Next. You say to be faster. I can I understand everything. Good job. Next. You say I understand everything. Excellent. Next, this one. Come here. Choose one of these balls. You have some question, maybe. Yeah, okay. You understand it. Next. Vivarus.
I understand everything.
I think so. I'm happy that this lesson is understanding everything. And next, in this evaluation, come to the blackboard and put your assessment. Okay?
Okay.
The first, you have 9 kids. Nuri Kamal, come to the blackboard. Come to the blackboard. Nuri Kamal is here. You have 9 points. Excellent. Next, Amina. 9 points. Amina, today, 10 points. It's so amazing. Next. Ansu. Maybe 7 points. It is good. Next. Janet here. Today, Janet here have 9 points. Okay, it is excellent. Next. Yes, Science today have 7 points. It is good. Next. Salam. 9 points. It is amazing. Good job. Next. Jansaya. Jansaya has 7 points. It is good. Ibaris. Ibaris has 9 points. Good job. Excellent. Next, Asana. Asana have 9 points. It is excellent. Nuri Kamal have 9 points. Amina? Amina, have. Okay, it is excellent. And the next home task, your contest, learn by heart new words and write 5 sentences about one natural disaster. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Yes, good.